Good day, everyone. This is Alicia from Xiamen Crooking Construction Equipment Limited Company, and welcome back to my channel. It's so happy to see you guys here again. Okay, look what we just found today. There is a giant yellow big guy over there. Have you seen it? And yeah, this is a cruller excavator from XGMA XG833EL. Yeah, check out this excavator. Powerful engine, smooth operation, and it delivers great fuel capacity. Bucket capacity is around 1.4-ish square meter. Max digging depth is around 7.38 millimeter. Max digging radius is around 11.1 meter. Total operation weight is approximately like 31-ish ton, and rated power is like 183 kilowatt to 1190 kilowatt. And the traveling speed is around 3.2 to 5 kilometer per hour. So this excavator built to reliable day after day, handling dirt, rocks with ease. Built by XGMA, it's tough, durable, and easy to maintain. Yeah, with its solid construction and low maintenance needs, this excavator is a smart investment that pays off fast. Whether you are building roads or setting up a factory or just digging foundations, this machine is your perfect partner. XG833EL. Fast work, fast feedback. Welcome to inquiry. Waiting for your orders.